Ayo. So I've realized that for the 3D engine, there's like a shit ton of stuff since I last showed it that like just have not shown. So like yeah, let's run. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, hold on. Let me just wait for this thing to run. Oh yeah. First of all, we have fucking good logs for once. Like everything gets logged. So like if I go here, I open engine quickly. Okay, before I get to this, let's start simple. We have I updated the CSV dumping. I just made it a bit better. Alright. Also layers was a bit refactored. So like when you click on the layer, so like not the layer, but if I click on this cube, it'll click on that. Click on three tries, it'll select it. Click on circle, it'll select the circle. Alright, cool. Then we got the debug panel, right? Just move this out the way. Finally refactored the debug panel. And like yeah, there's just some stuff going on here. Here's the log from the console that is also being saved to a text file. You can just see it here if you want. You can add a random triangle. That is a very horrible point of view for that triangle, but alright, whatever. You can show the triangle's distances, you can show the depth values, or you can show the triangle's normals. Yeah. Then enforce a swing repaint if you want. And like you might notice that this is not really FPS per second, but repaints per second. Cause like the the thing that I used called Java Swing, basically everything is on a single thread called the event dispatching thread, right? And like it repaints the entire thing. Hence the only like useful statistic that I can even give you is like repaints per second. And like it's only really a problem if it's like 4 million and we're not even doing anything that deep. Like you see right now it's between like 0 and like 100. That's normal. Yeah, that's pretty normal. And like when it's 0, it's just not doing anything because you're either not doing anything, you know. So like if I hit enter, should go down to 0. Yeah. Alright, okay, cool. Got that down. And then I also updated. I can only go into the code for this one because I can't really show that. But like, where is it? What the fuck is it? Yeah, updated project file, right? This was initially what project file looked like at first. First of all, points and lines, they didn't have colors. And now they do. And also triangle. See here how I put four separate integers for triangle. Well, nope. V2 instead. Lines and points have triangles. And instead of putting four separate ints for red, green, blue, and alpha, we just assign a signed 32-bit int, which has all three colors and an alpha value in it already. So like it's a fuck ton faster. Cool. Then we can go like open project. Oh, oh, hello. Did bro just? Oh shit. Okay. Cannot read array, learn the array now. Fuck you mean now, bro? Oh shit, it's cause this is open. Okay, yeah, that's true. No, I can't blame it. I really can't blame it. Okay, cool. J3D engine, test. Let us open this one. There's like 4 million points in this, bruh. Yep. I can barely move. I can barely move. Okay, let me go to the debug panel. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, it's so laggy. Okay, cool, whatever. But yeah, as you can see, I added this is not really circles per se. It's more so n-gons, like in the thing that was there at the start. Oh shit! Look at that log. Oh, lovely. Let me open from the start. Yeah, I added n-gons, so you can see here. This is a what's this hexagon? Well, the faces are hexagon. The bottom face and top face are hexagon. And then this one has like 100 connections. So I don't know what the fuck you'd call it. The fucking dodecagon. No, that's 10. I don't fucking know, man. I really don't know. Right. And I was gonna connect these up so I can make the triangles and make this an actual like solid, but I'm too lazy for that. So it's just like this now. Yeah. Okay, cool. And oh yeah, there's new commands. I forgot. Okay, cool. Let's go open some commands. So I've decided that there's a new help command. We can say help, and it shows in the hover label the all the available commands that you can type. Oh, and there's also like a little thing. What you call it? This in the I don't know what the fuck you call it. I forgot. But yeah, there's that, and it shows like all the stuff right that you can do. And yeah, just pretty cool. You can say help UI and it gives you help on the UI related commands. Basically, UI related commands, it can toggle these floating panels if you want. So if I said UI debug, it's supposed to show the debug panel. I guess it didn't. Okay. Hmm. Oh, UI toggle. Oh, what the what the? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, UI. Don't mind that. It's just Jimmy. Don't mind that. And then I can toggle the layers. UI toggle layers. Then I can toggle. What else can I toggle? I actually don't know. Oh, the history. Right. Toggle H. Cool. Then we got what other I don't even know what other command I added, bro. It's been so long. Oh yeah, we added an explode command. So if I go to my what would I want to let's explode this cube. So that would be the cube thing. Okay. So I can go help explode because I low-key forgot how to do it. Oh, you just call explode. Oh yeah, you use this is the only one that actually uses like the the tagged arguments. So I can say explode thing is equal to cube. Are you sure this cannot be undone? This means the history before this will also be unreachable. Yeah. And there, we exploded it. Just like that. Oh, fuck. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, shit. Oh, I cannot exit the fucking. Ah. Okay, so I literally cannot exit oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, we exploded that and like, yeah, it's just a bunch of points now. Actually, I want to see if I can explode this. What is it? Circle. Okay, but okay, time to test. What will it do? Explode thing is equal to circle. Yeah, sure. It exploded everything. Fuck. Okay. All right. Can't blame it. I really can't. All right. Cool. Yeah. What else did I add? What else did I add? Oh yeah, these fucking scroll bars. Like if you go to the old videos, you'll see the scroll bars look so ugly, man. I made it so much better, bro. Oh, and it follows the actual like theming of everything. Oh yeah, and project output file, you can set it. We'll set it to like um what do we set it to? Yeah, why not? J3 outdo.j3p. Cool. Now when you call save, should just always save there. And it wrote everything there, meaning I can like yeah. I am honestly forgetting what else I added. What else did I add? Oh yeah, I also added this near zero projection power. I have no clue what that would help anyone with, cause like it's such a specific math thing that you would even want to change. So like, why would you want to do that? Just need to find where it was. J3D experience Cartesian point. No, vector 3. That's where I wanted to go. Geo3D, matrix, vector 3. Okay, let's go down to 2 point. Yeah, here's that near projection zero power. I don't know why you would want that, but man, if you want that, then you want that, bro. Good for you, man. Okay, cool. And then here's the Ngon math stuff. Honestly, I think I might wait, hold on, let me show like the whole thing. Yeah, this the whole function. Method actually, not function. Yep. Just take the objects, we got the plane, normalize the plane, which basically just normalize both the vectors and returns a new plane. Okay, cool. Where the fuck did I go? What? Where have I gone? Huh. I don't know where I've gone. There I am. Cool. And like the plane, the two vectors of the plane are supposed to be like whatever you call it, ortho whatever to them. Like they're supposed to be called like perpendicular to each other, in a way. I'm not sure the specific math specifics, man. But like they're supposed to be. If you don't, then you're making an ellipse and like yeah, just apply that and then it does all the math for that. And yeah, this is the generic version. This one returns the actual vector 3 stuff. Alright, cool. And then what I was adding previously was a properties panel. And this is the property generic class, right? I mean a property. And then here's GObject where it defines the basic properties that a triangle, a line, and a point will have. So it'll be its ID, its color, and its pivot. And then here, a triangle, the properties that it adds is a normal, leg A, leg B, and leg C. The line, start point, the end point, and then G point, it adds nothing because object already has everything. And then a thing itself, it has a name, an ID, the amount of G objects that are within this thing, and a centroid. Cool. And then also a layer has some stuff. It has a layer identifier and the amount of things that are within this. Some stuff they're constant, you cannot change them, you can only see the value. And then there's others that like you can change if you want. Like here thing name, you can just change it if you want. But I still need to do all the UI for that. And that means me using NetBeans. So yeah, man. And then what else have I not shown yet? Oh yeah, there's new errors and stuff. I forgot about that. There's also new errors. Um, how can I really showcase an error? Like my shit just works too well. I don't know how I can showcase an error, man. Okay, I go open. Maybe there's a file that's just wrong and I can showcase an error. Hmm. Yeah, there we go. Okay. See, we got a fatal error, and because it's fatal, we cannot continue from here. So it's actually just gonna shut down. Cool, no problem. And then it also logs into the log. And like I would show the log files, but I don't know where the fuck the file is anymore, man. And I'm too tired for that, bro. So yeah. Anyways, here is the circle. Yeah, it's 100 vertices. 100 vertices circle with the radius 10. And we just put random colors. That's why it's a ring of random colors. And yeah. What's going on here? Inline. Okay. Yeah, now you're right. And yeah, that's really how it goes. Anything else I forgot? I'm just remember. Task at Boolean. Stability key. Well, really, I just fixed a lot of other stuff. There really isn't a lot more. Fix some backend math, fix some docs. Oh yeah. What I wanted to do previously, right, was uh where is it now? Little bit. Where is it now? What the hell? Docs, yeah. Basically, I wanted to make a markdown reader so that the app doesn't have to define its own documentation for everything. I write the markdown and the app will read the markdown files and add it into itself, if you know what I mean. And like this is just the rules that I defined for what I want to be able to read in this markdown. And here's like simple like something. But that's something I'll do later. And then I also need to go fix like all the constraint stuff for objects and stuff and like actually add them on. So yeah, I think that's everything. Yeah, that is everything. How long is this video? 15 minutes? Yeah, Discord's not allowing this.